and relay. I double back and replay. It's not a game, no EA. I'm global trapping eBay. I make it look so easy. You'll never touch a cement. I double profits each way. Relay.
What's going on, likers, subscribers, and everyday vibers? It's your boy T Rev, and today I'm going to be passing the, I don't know,
camera.
Well, no, I'll have the camera, so that doesn't make sense. I'm going to be passing over my video to my fiance, the beautiful Savritas, because she actually just got a Two Brothers Racing slip-on exhaust for her Rebel 500, which we'll do a review on later. We're going to be giving her first-hand view of when she first got it, actually open it up on the freeway, just like I did with the first TBR. But she is going to walk you through taking off the old exhaust and putting on the new exhaust right now.
Hey y'all.
I'm recording.
No. I'm sorry.
Come on, baby. So?
Can you see my chakras and stuff?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll take them out there. What's going on, guys? Just gonna walk you through.
I don't say what's going on, guys.
Okay, say it how you do.
Hey y'all.
Hey. How y'all doing?
I'm gonna edit a lot of this shit in there, just so you know.
No, baby, I'm already sweating.
Okay, the faster you get done, the less your sweat.
Okay. Hi guys.
What are you doing? What are you doing today?
Okay, so we're gonna be going over how I did it to take off my stock exhaust to the TBR, and the stuff that you'll be needing are all right here. So pretty much what you need is a socket wrench and a half. So these are some of the items, and then an Allen key set, and I used the number 5 to take off the little bolt from the heat shield. So we did that first. We went ahead and removed the heat shield from my stock exhaust first, and once it's off, you see these little, I don't know what they're called, but like these slide clamps were attached to it. So all you got to do is just push it forward, and that comes right off. Then after that, what we did was removed the original clamp, and that we did it with the socket wrench in the half. Mm-hmm. And when we removed that, I removed the bolt from here, and it's sitting right here. So then when we moved that, all you had to do is kind of jiggle it a little bit from this part, and then just pop it right off. And then that was it for removing the stock exhaust. When I put it on, I did have a little bit of trouble in the beginning because the clamp that came with the TBR exhaust, I didn't fully put it on the, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like where these like little, these right here.
Yeah, they're like little,
I don't know what they're called,
little
but
slits in the exhaust.
So the little slits, it wasn't on there. So when I kept tightening it, it was like forever going, and it wasn't tightening it. It was still like moving around. So I went ahead and put it right on those little slide. What are they called again?
The little slits on the exhaust.
I put it on the little slits on the exhaust, and then I tightened it, and then it was able to actually, like, it wasn't moving anymore. It was actually easier to put on, which taking it off wasn't hard, but it's easier to just literally slip it on. After putting on this clamp here, went ahead and did this. Although when you do put the clamp on first, you will see that it wasn't lined up all the way, but as long as it lines up a little bit to where when this is tightened and you come to do this, you just Gotta hold it in place, and the tighter you get it, it centers itself, if that makes any sense. And then I'm a little sweaty, so I'm gonna wipe my face real quick. And the only thing you're gonna keep from your stock exhaust is pretty much this bolt right here. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and turn on the bike, my Honda Rebel. And now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the bike so y'all can hear it at idle. We'll get some audio from different sides of the bike, and then we'll go ahead and give you a couple of throttle blips. So he's around the block, and I can hear it already. Way much louder than my stock exhaust.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.